Vi står her på Storstrømsbroen lige ved pylonen, men det skal ikke handle om det her oppe, som man jo ellers ser, når man ser broen udefra. Vi skal ned under broen, ned på det her kæmpe store midlertidige stillads, der er rundt omkring hele pylonen. Det er kommet med herud helt fra starten af, men nu er det altså tid til, at det skal pilles ned. Det er en operation, der kræver en stor pram, der kommer og skal få det sejlet ind til land igen. Det er den operation, vi skal følge i dag. Den nye Storstrømsbro bliver Danmarks tredje største bro og skal på sine 4 kilometer via Masnedø forbinde Sjælland og Falster. Den nye Storstrømsbro bliver bygget som erstatning for den gamle, fordi hele forbindelsen mellem København og Hamborg skal opgraderes, så det står klart, når tunnelen under Femern Bælt er bygget færdig.
This structure that we are standing on now is a temporary steel structure which was installed at the very beginning, which is the support for all of the pylon construction. So the moment that we have cast the last girders, the temporary structure becomes obsolete.
Right.
It has to be removed from the sea because most of the elements are at sea level and they're very heavy. It's quite a complicated operation because the structure itself, it's one unit, it's welded together, then split, and you can see where the steel members are cut here.
Right, so over here, you
Yes.
have just cut it over in 2 halves.
Yes.
And this is a giant structure. Can we go down and look at it from downside?
Absolutely. Mustafa, you come down with us?
So this will be the last time that we can take this elevator.
Mustafa is one of our supervisors who has been with me for how many years now?
29 years.
29 years you have been working together.
It's
On what projects?
Middle East.
It was in the Emirates, Dubai, Qatar.
How do you feel then about working here in Denmark?
Pretty good.
He's a concrete expert, and we have a huge, diverse workforce.
Thank you. It's a massive structure when you look at it from down here.
The reason it's substantial is that it has to bear load. There was formwork, steel, equipment, tools, machinery during the construction of the main element itself.
Right.
So every square millimeter of this platform was utilized before. And now it's time to remove it. We have our specialist lifters, Fagioli, which comes in on the vessel that we're going to look at now, which is like a giant forklift. It keys itself in and it lifts it and it takes it back.
All right.
So,
So half of it?
half of it, so it's in 2 halves.
Nu er vi så kommet ombord på prammen, som altså skal løfte stålkonstruktionen væk. Men der er faktisk gået 2 uger siden vi var her sidst. De blev nødt til at afbryde operationen sidst vi var her på grund af strøm og på grund af vind. Og man har prøvet og prøvet igen. Og faktisk har man allerede nu fået fjernet den ene halvdel af stålkonstruktionen. Nu skal man så have fjernet det allersidste.
Però adesso tagli Florian, sei a 2-3 centimetri, no?
Faccio metà nello 5. Sì.
So you can see this side is already completely free.
Right. So you have lifted like 5 centimeters or something?
Yeah, it come up 5 centimeter, but on the other side we still don't have gap.
So something is holding it down there?
Yeah, and we don't want to increase too much because if it start to release suddenly, it may jump up.
Right.
So yeah, it's a bit delicate step.
We have waited a couple of weeks for this.
Yeah.
How come?
Very, very difficult weather. We had a lot of wind.
How does it look today?
It's not the best. For the current, we are very good. We are having wave from the west, so we put another barge there to shelter us from the wave.
Right.
Now it's okay. Now we can control it.
Right.
e poi stanno ancora provando a tagliare.
Nu kravler vi så op på toppen af hele konstruktionen her, og den her lift, altså som skal løfte det hele op og få båret det væk herfra. And you have a very small clearance up there to do that.
Yeah, we are having around 30 to 35 centimeter.
Right.
So that's why we are very careful in lifting off. We split approximately the gap between top and bottom. We move back with the barge until we are free from the foundations, and we send it back to the quayside.
And you think you will get it back today? That's the plan? To get it all the way back to the harbor?
If I don't get it back today, I will sink the barge.
Okay.
It's quite difficult. It's quite difficult to work in the sea. He's extremely precise, and he prefers to check every single calculation himself. You're dealing with the current, you're dealing with the wind. Everything is incidental till you actually get in a position.
We don't know the exact way, we don't know the exact position of the center of gravity, but no, it's still strange, it's still not moving.
So we are now waiting for them to cut it.
Yeah.
Nu er den fri. Nu gynger den. Nu hænger den på armene.
Yeah, we found the problem. There was still one connection partially welded. They just finished to cut and now it's floating. So now we will gain around 10 centimeter clearance between the cask and the column and the structure.
So now the whole structure is lifted up by the barge.
It's resting on the barge. Yeah,
Right.
it's resting on these towers.
Okay, and now I can hear the pump start
Yeah. Now it's pumping.
to try to lift it a little bit
Now
more.
we lift the barge and then we do everything with the water in the barge.
Nu kravler jeg så lige ned i selve prammen her, fordi hernede, det her det hele styres fra med ballasttankene hernede i bunden, 2 etager nede. Så nu vil man simpelthen bare pumpe alt vandet ud, eller noget af vandet ud, sådan så prammen lige så langsomt hæver sig op, og dermed løfter hele strukturen. Og det er altså det manden her gør. Det er simpelthen at åbne for de forskellige haner. Han kan ikke se noget ovenpå, men han har kontakt med radioen for at finde ud af, okay, hvornår skal han sætte det hele i gang, for langsomt at få hele prammen til at hæve sig og løfte det hele derude. How high is it?
17 centimeter,
And how high is it on the top?
around 25.
Og heroppe på toppen, der kan man altså se, hvor utrolig tæt på, at jernkonstruktionen er på selve broen. Så nu er det tid til, at man ligesom skal stabilisere den der, og så få trukket hele konstruktionen tilbage, så den kommer fri af broen.
We do Julian and Andrea slowly, yeah, because we have the wind blowing. Okay, so let's prepare everyone in place. Alec, Radi, everything okay?
Yes.
We are having 4 winches. They are in cross, and we simply pull with 2 and release with the other 2. And we slide with the barge. We do it slowly because if we do it too fast, the barge starts rocking and we have a very small clearance on top. So now, yeah, we are maybe doing 10 centimeter per time with the winch. Now we are connecting the main tug. Is the one that will be moving the barge back to the port. We gain enough clearance now between the structure suspended on the barge and what is still remaining in the water. We have the other 2 small tugs, so now from this position we are ready to move out. Now the barge is stabilized on the mooring lines.
Right.
When we start to release the mooring line on one side, the barge will start to move around. So we will have to try to keep the barge in position with the help of the tug, and with the mooring boat they are recovering the wire.
that other barge. We prepare our 300-ton crane. We will come back to remove the caissons and the column still in the water.
It's going very good. We are around 3 hours in advance, respect the plan. Lucky that finally we found a good window.
Now should be the last major exercise, and you will see after this just the pylon itself without any protection around. It's the last part before we finalize everything and put the traffic.